Infinix has cooked up something new in its Note lineup, and that's the Infinix NOTE Edge 5G. Based on its looks alone, the naming scheme wouldn't make sense at first, but taking a closer look at what this phone can do, you'll realize it really does the edge, especially on things that really matter in day-to-day use.
It boasts that nice 3D curved 1.5K display, the new MediaTek Dimensity 7100 5G chipset, and a large 6500 mAh battery, all packed in an ultra-slim frame.
As a Gen Z myself, I'm pretty sure this is the kind of phone that can keep up with every Gen Z user's need. From daily commutes to entertainment and gaming, the Infinix NOTE Edge has you covered. That said, we have listed 5 of our most favorite features so far to give you a better idea on how the phone performs in real life. I'm your host Earl, and drop that intro. Before we get to the bits, let's all first appreciate how this phone looks. Design-wise, I must say this thing slaps. This unit in particular comes in a silk green colorway, and as the name suggests, it has this silk-like texture, almost faux leather, giving it a unique look and feel.
You also have more options with lunar titanium, shadow black, and stellar blue.
Not to mention, the aesthetic here is visually cohesive. The way how the chamfered edges match the rounded corners of the camera module down to the lenses, it's the consistency in the design that made me like this phone. And notice the active halo ring over here. Aside from adding a bit of character, it's also functional since it dynamically lights up to notification, calls, and media playback. I also like how thin the phone is, measuring only 7.2mm, and despite how slim it is, Infinix still managed to throw in a large 6500 mAh battery. That said, its build quality feels solid, especially with the addition of IP65 rating. Mind you, that's flagship level protection right there, providing resistances to ingress of dust and water jets. Points for comfort too, as it features a curved edge design from both the front and rear panels, so it adds a more comfortable grip despite the large screen size. Speaking of the screen, the NOTE Edge delivers a super visual experience. The phone sports a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. You can appreciate the uniform bezels all around. And as expected of a high-resolution screen, every detail looks sharp with vivid colors and satisfying deep black. Users like me who always watch movies and TV shows on the go are definitely in for a treat. The screen peaks up to 4500 nits for HDR content, so you won't have any problems using the phone outdoors. The JBL tuning also adds a bit more of audio fidelity, making the viewing experience more immersive. Another thing to appreciate is how surprisingly capable its camera is, well, at least from the rear. The NOTE Edge features a 50-megapixel main shooter, and it did pretty good, capturing images with nice clarity, near-accurate colors, and decent dynamic range. And are you familiar with live photos? It's essentially one of Gen Z's favorite snaps to take. And I'm happy to report that the Infinix NOTE Edge is the first model in the lineup to have this feature. So that's one fun way to express yourself using this phone. You know what else is new to the NOTE Edge? It's definitely the all-new XOS 16. Yup, the phone ships with the latest version of Android with Android 16, and it gets tons new visual updates that look sleek in my opinion. Infinix nailed the inspired look here with a combination of depth, shadows, gradients, and glass-like design in certain places. Perhaps that consistency in physical design also extends in software too. First-party apps like the Dialer, Gallery, File Manager, and Notes app have similar interfaces that add points for consistency in software experience. Not gonna lie, it's quite impressive how nicely done XOS 16 has recreated that specific inspired look. Infinix is also making a bold move to extend its software support. From the usual 2+3 update policy, the brand is now promising up to 3 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches for the NOTE Edge. In other words, it will get to as far as XOS 19 or Android 19. That's a step in the right direction that adds confidence to the NOTE Edge and its longevity for years to come. That same confidence also applies to how long the battery would last. Infinix claims the NOTE Edge will still retain more than 80% of battery capacity even after 2000 full charge cycles. I won't explain the science behind all these, but essentially, Infinix deploys some self-healing technology to significantly reduce long-term battery degradation so the battery stays healthy in the long run even after 6 years. So there's that. In terms of battery life, the NOTE Edge almost disappointed us. We mentioned before in our full review that its battery life was underwhelming, and now it's a different story this time around. After we did some stuff to optimize the battery and our usage, we fortunately got better results. In our second PC Mark battery life test, the phone lasted almost 16 hours or 15 hours and 51 minutes to be exact, which is a more sensible uptime for a battery of this capacity. In real-world use, the phone lasted even longer in our experience, which included watching videos on YouTube, scrolling on socials, and even gaming on the side. Speaking of gaming, the Note Edge also did a good job for light and casual gaming at least. Notably, this phone is the very first phone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 5G chipset, which offers optimal and efficient performance for daily use. The phone ran our go-to game, Mobile Legends, consistently at 90 frames per second with no obvious lags and dips. And if you're mostly using mobile network to play games, then the Note Edge will not disappoint thanks to a better 5G performance, which we'll talk about next. What's really interesting about this phone is it's capable to deliver a true 5G experience that's on par with a flagship despite its affordable pricing. It means that this phone gets stronger 5G signals anywhere, be it inside malls or underground areas, thanks to what Infinix calls UPS 3.0 AI Super Signal technology. We experienced this firsthand when we tried connecting to mobile network in our office, where we mainly relied on fiber connection because the signal reception here sucks. With the Note Edge, 5G connectivity stayed reliable throughout, which means that even in the heat of a rank match in Mobile Legends, Honor of Kings, or whatever you're playing, you can be sure that your ping won't dip, especially during team fights. And those are some of our most favorite features from the new Infinix Note Edge. With a starting price of 12,999 pesos, it feels like the Note Edge doesn't try to reinvent what the mid-range phone should look like. It just executes the fundamentals really well. You're getting a slim, well-thought-of design, a great display, dependable battery life, and surprisingly strong 5G performance. Add extended software support, and the Note Edge becomes an easy recommendation for users who care more about day-to-day reliability than spec sheet flexing. It's not perfect, but for its price, it does more right than wrong. And that's where it earns its edge over the competition. Again, the Infinix Note Edge starts at 12,999 pesos, and that price is exclusively available on TikTok Shop. You also get the Infinix XE26 earbuds as a freebie. It will also go on sale via Shopee, Lazada, and Infinix official website for 13,999 pesos. Orders here will include a free Infinix insulated tumbler instead of the buds. It retails for 14,999 pesos.
Adding to that, you also have the chance to win concert tickets to 17, an Infinix GT laptop, or an international trip to Chongqing for 2 packs. Check out the promo mechanics right here.
But what about you? What do you think of the Infinix Note Edge 5G? Will you get this anytime soon? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you find this video helpful or informative, give this a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Don't forget to follow us on our socials and visit yogatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!